You're telling me that a char recorder will let you type so fast it's banned from typing competitions? No way. Because when I saw this thing, I mean, I feel like I could see why it's super fast, but I wasn't sure if it could actually be that fast. You know, like, because there's always like, you know, like I could see that you could get pretty fast, but man, okay, maybe I should try to take like a week and get good at it. You know what I mean? Maybe I should try that. Would you guys want to see me try to get like 1 week of trying to get good at this thing? Because I think I could go pretty fast if I just sat down and really ripped it. You know what I mean? I think I could get really fast if I got in there. If I got this ass in there, no mercy assing, I think I could get pretty fast. All right, anyways, a new peripheral lets you keep typing without ever lifting a finger when it comes to gaming and typing competition. Is it cheating? Interesting. The char recorder is a new kind of typing peripheral that promises to let people type at superhuman speed. It's so fast that a website, Monkey Type, which lets users participate in typing challenges and maintains its own leaderboard, automatically flags char recorder CEO as a cheater when he attempted to post his 500 word per minute score on the leaderboard. No way. Oh my goodness, I gotta try this. Okay, that just got me a lot more excited. I would put myself in a slim percentage of people as far as typing speed goes. I want to try this. I want to try this. Now I got more excited. It's a strange-looking device, the kind of thing Keanu Reeves would interface with in Johnny Mnemonic. Place your palms on the rest on the 2 black divots, out of which rise 9 different finger-sized joysticks. These are 18 sticks, move in every direction. Its website claims can hit every button you need on a regular keyboard. Char recorder switches detect motion in 3 dimensions, so users have access to over 300 unique inputs without their fingers breaking contact with the device. It said. The char recorder said it? Let's see. Users input words and commands by clicking switches in different directions. Char recorder claims that once a user learns how to type with the machine, they can achieve speeds impossible on QWERTY keyboard. Most people type around 40... Goodness gracious, 40 words per minute, with a skilled typist hitting up to 100 words per minute. Competition typers can be breaking into the 200. Riley Keane, char recorder, by the way, great name for a CEO, could also be like I wouldn't put him like as a main character and say like a kind of a cop show drama, but definitely could be like a reoccurring character name, right? It has strong reoccurring character vibes, maybe even villain vibes. I'm not sure. You think main villain vibes? I don't know about that. Main villain, a doubt. I'm pressing X hard right now, but we'll see. Char recorder CEO posting TikToks where he hit, oh my goodness. Okay, we got to watch this. Here we go. We got to watch this. This just seems too unreal. What? What just happened there? What? Okay. I mean, maybe I want to try. The speeds are so fast that Monkey Type won't post a score. According to Discord conversation between Keen and Monkey Type developer Mio, the website only allows users to post score if they're typing on a traditional keyboard. Char recorder can type individual letters, but also has chorded typing, similar to stenography. Chorded typing allows users to input several letters at the same time and have computer programs generate the predicted word. Instead of typing HELLO, a char recorder typer mashes HEL and O and produces the word. With practice, it's much faster. Okay, yeah. According to Mio, the input method, which predates the char recorder, is strictly banned. If you make an account and complete 15 time 15 seconds and 60-second tests, are likely the anti-cheat will pick it up. They said on Discord, because the minimal time spacing between keystrokes and characters, it's a different skill, but it's very uncommon. Yeah. So when someone drops like 300 plus on the leaderboard, it's automatically removed. I mean, I get that. I get what they're trying to say here. I get that. Oh, but that's so crazy how fast this is. Monkey Type won't let Keen run up the leaderboard, but he did win another typing competition using char record and hit 267 words per minute with 76% accuracy. People accused him of cheating. I get where they're coming from, Keen said in his video reply. I agree that it's not fair, but I don't think it's cheating. This is a total keyboard replacement. I haven't used a keyboard in over a year, and I have no need to ever use one again. Very interesting. 76 is pretty crap. I agree with that. 76% is terrible. I don't know, very interesting though. Keen also claimed that he won several online gaming competitions using the Chara quarter, which he says brings up an interesting ethical dilemma. I'm not sure if there's restrictions on what keyboards you're allowed to use. He said over a video playing Super Smash Bros. Ultimate on the Nintendo Switch using his Chara quarter running through Zim style adapter. What do you think? 1 in the chat if it's cheating, 2 in the chat if it's not. He won a Super Smash Brothers tournament using it. I would say so me personally, when it comes to a tournament, you have to put bounds. And why I say this is that, like, imagine any sport, right? If you went into tennis and you just came in with a racket that was just gigantic, like that was like, 3 feet long, right? You could reach shots that other people couldn't reach, and you could be like, well, look, it's just you chose your little short racket, okay? I decided to go big racket style, right? You know what I mean? Like, what is that? And are they considered macros when you mash a bunch of keys together, or are they something different? I'm not really sure. Anyways, it's very interesting. I personally would say I agree with it being, you can't do that. I think it's not correct. Most esports tournaments do have strict peripheral rules. Fighting game tournaments, EVO rules for controllers are 5 pages long. Console players generally feel the same about mouse and keyboard in a game designed for a controller as cheating. No, they get auto aim, and everyone that's on mouse and keyboard says auto aim cheats. Okay, everybody knows that. That is literally the new excuse. Lag is now number 2. Auto aim is number 1. Okay, everybody knows that. Everybody knows that. In a TikTok specifically about the issue, Keen was ambivalent. I hadn't thought about this, but I really think, but it's really interesting, Keen said, because I do have significant advantage over my opponents. He then listed all the other places where Chara quarter will speed up your work and give you an advantage, proving that Keen is less interested in the ethical questions and more interested in proving the world that Chara quarter makes everything you normally do with the keyboard faster. I would say this is just good marketing. I think he just wants people to know that it's possible to be amazing. Right? This just seems like marketing and being like, I personally am not going to call into question his ethics. Keen, dubious ethical CEO, classic CEO with their dubious ethics. Coming in, proving, it's just like, okay. Nice, it's saved advice. I know. Keen is experimenting with a modified version of the device that he thinks will even allow babies to type and communicate similarly to the way some babies communicate with sign language. Well, there's nothing there. Okay. The baby quarter. You may soon see coworkers with a weird monolith-style trackball mouse rocking a strange peripheral, claiming he's upped his efficiency in ways you can't possibly imagine. Okay, I'm already that guy. But this is obviously for ergonomics, but maybe. Okay, enough of this crap. I should have said this a long time ago. Hey, Flip, can you edit this part out, Flip? Flip. I need you to go in here and I need you to edit all this crap out, okay? It makes no sense, okay, Flip? Hey, Flip. I need you to edit that last Twitter section out, Flip. Then zoom into my face, Flip. Zoom in. The name is the Primogen.